So this is one of my Sansevierias. I have around 6 different types at this point. I'm obsessed with them, and I put them up anywhere that I can find in most spots that I can find. I'm obsessed with them. So this is generally called a snake plant or a mother-in-law's tongue. I wonder why that is, but it is called that. So anyway, so this is an average size snake plant that you find in most houses and most offices. And for perspective, right next to my hand, it's a decent sized pot. It's a biggish, medium, big sort of a pot, and this is a snake plant, a relatively decent sized snake plant. Now, along with this, which obviously this is something that I was gifted. I get a lot of gifts as I get a lot of plants as gifts. So this is, of course, this is gifted. So this must have been bought from a nursery or something like that. Maybe even a plant that someone had lying around in their home growing. But as opposed from this, you move on to this one. This is an entire plant that I got from an outside batch of snake plants that I have. Now this one really stuck out to me because amongst all the other ones that it was resting amongst in this sea of snake plants, in the sea of snake plants, this thing just stood out to me because it was about an inch or so higher than everyone else, and there are already substantially sized snake plants outside. For perspective, if this is, as I said, the snake plant that you generally see in most houses and offices and corporate settings, in most settings you'll see this is the average size of a snake plant. And then we have this. And let's see how big this is. So I'm sitting down on the ground and I'm getting up now. And I'm slowly getting up. And I'm getting up. And I'm getting up. And I'm getting up. And I'm still getting up. And I'm still getting up. So this is a snake plant as well.